So we have the bedroom to the right, and this is the kitchen area. They gave me a nice sink here. So that's cool. Gas stove. I'll show you the bathroom. One thing you might notice about the bathroom is that it's also the shower. So the drain's down here in the bottom, and then you have all your things. Now we're in the bedroom. It's my bed. Computer, speakers, iPod. And I put all my clothes in this thing. Still got some. I'm gonna buy like some totes or like one of those bars that you can hang clothes up on. This is my laundry room. What's that here? This is my washing machine. And you basically hang your clothes to dry up on these bars up here. And you can like lift them up high like that. All of the windows in my apartment they're like double paned, and then they have mesh on one side and it's open on the other side. There's also a drain in here for the water to go out from the washing machine. It's my boiler right there. And there's my controls for my heating system. Everything's in Celsius. This is for like the room temperature and the water. And that's about it. I know you guys love my wallpaper, right? Oh, my air conditioner. It's remote controlled. And the remote is right up there. So yeah, that was my place here in Cheonan.